Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at another case for your Huawei Mate SE/Honor 7X. So, to start the video, let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a case from Tudia for your Huawei Mate SE, and as you guys can see from the packaging, it does say Huawei Honor 7X. Metallic slate color, so I definitely picked this color because it'll match like the same coloring that you have on the back of the Huawei Mate SE. And as you guys already know, the Honor 7X cases will fit the Huawei Mate SE. So let's see if it fits, guys, and we can definitely check this out. So this is the Tudia merge case, guys. You do get a lot of protection with this case at a fair price point for under 10 bucks. So here's the packaging itself for Tudia, guys. So I definitely want to try this new knife that I got from Miguel Tech, Big Mix Tech. Pretty sharp, as you can tell. So let's pop this baby out. Let's see what it looks like on the device. So as you guys can see, we do have almost like a brushed silver look right here. It does have a little light on there, but you could definitely see like the colors of it. It's pretty much like a silver and is pretty clean, guys. So you do have like the hard backing there, so as you guys can see, like it can pop off, but it will pop on. And you do have a warranty on this, so you shouldn't have no problem with having to work with them. So on the inside, you do have the Tudia merge logo there, and you do have the Tudia logo right there on the bottom right as well. Pretty simple installation, guys. You should just pop this in. Shouldn't have no problem. Everything looks absolutely perfect so far. Check that out, guys. Looks great in my eyes. So everything looks absolutely perfect. Let's see if we could get a close-up there of the lip action that you get with this case. As you guys can see, definitely lip action for the fingerprint scanner and for the camera as well. And the bottom looks absolutely clean. There's nothing wrong there. And on the top, the mic is perfect as well. So the lip action on the front, let's see what this looks like. So we have a little bit of lip action on the side. I don't know if you guys could actually pick that up or not. Let's see if I could focus in myself. Let's see if we could focus in on this baby. Alright, so you see that little bit of lip action, and you do get it on the top and the bottom as well. Big shout out to Tudia for always making cases that actually have a lot of lip and you don't have to worry about having it face down or having any problems like that. So what do you guys think about the case? Let me know down in the comments below. It's pretty cheap and I could definitely recommend it. You do have the grip on the sides to see how the buttons sound. Volume up and down is extra clicky, and the powers are a little bit mushy, but it does still have a click to it. Everything else still looks pretty good. Alright guys, so if you guys want to buy this case, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Huawei Mate SE and Tudia cases. So, to the next video, guys. Peace. Beautiful.